about to tell you guys all the reasons I have never taken you here before. One, I'm off the beaten path. I am in Paradise, Pennsylvania. I just drove through serious Amish town, Intercourse, Pennsylvania. A lot going on there, a lot to see. Super fun day trip destination, by the way. I've just arrived at what they claim to be the largest antique mall in Pennsylvania. Now, I stopped going here because a lot of the prices on the stuff I liked were very close to retail, and the tags on some of them, like when I tell you guys I soaked and soaked, I could not get the stickers off. So I kind of got turned off after coming here a couple times because it's so far out of my way. But today, it's Valentine's Day season and we're switching it up. So let's go in and see what it's all about. It's been probably 2 years since I've been here. See, this is what I'm talking about. I love the little puppy dog, but it's $20. Again, a lot of amazing trinkets in these cases, but all retail for sure. I don't like cases. They have a lot of awesome ones though. I remember they had a lot of crazy, unique Christmas. So much fun stuff. It's fun to see it all in one place, even though most of it is stuff I've seen before. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that snowman card. Before we get into Halloween, we do have to finish this Christmas. Oh, so much fun. Love the Santa Clauses with lenticular eye, salt and pepper shakers there. You guys, the hearts, $15.95, $16.95, $11.95, $12.90. I'm about to clean up. There's a lot of cute stuff in here. I am gonna also see how much. Those are $20 each, those candy containers. Yeah, I'm about to take like all those heart planters. Hold on, so you guys can see the ones I grabbed. I'm now seeing that I missed a little, oh, I did miss some stuff, didn't I? Now, the Shamrock Girl, I don't see a price tag on her. I might have to be obnoxious and get her to open this case again. I decided I was gonna come back to the cases. I didn't really finish the whole aisle. This is so funny. So far I've spent $57. What in the world? These terranium lamps are so cool. How much are these? $29 for the pair. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, I kind of want those too. But I need to be careful because this is gonna add up quick, but oh my gosh, there's a Ladybug Dream Pad. I've never seen that before. It's $15. I'm actually gonna look it up because I didn't even know this existed. I'm still waiting to get service. This is a fun mug, isn't it? It's left in, it's newer left in though. Still only $10, super fair. But I'm being super choosy. Let's see. Yeah, I've like just started on the first aisle and didn't even finish the cases. And here we go again. This one is $12. I think we're gonna have to get that. How much is this one? This one usually sells really well. That one's $19. There's still some room in that. But this one for $12, I definitely am gonna get that. I've had this one a few times. It usually sells really well, but I don't want to pay $19 for it right now. This is so cute. Lots of fun chalkware. All very close to what I'd pay for, price it at. I'm still really caught up on that Ladybug. Love the little bisque Valentine's Day Girl by Lefton. Again, $13 is more than I'd spend on that, especially with that bisque material. That's cute and expensive. Wow, there's a lot going on here. Hold on. Now, don't get too excited because it's definitely on the pricier side. I just had to show off this incredible display of dolls and bears. Absolutely spectacular. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, there's a sucker born every minute. I love that. If that wasn't $30, I would totally get that for myself. Okay, I'm obsessed with this giant squirrel. That is too cute. I don't want to ship that, but We love it. I know. Everyone's probably cringing right now. I can feel people disliking me. Okay, but also the super spooky booth. Look at this doll. What in the world? Very strange. We like strange. Oh, a church lamp. Very cool. Now, I was very surprised to find a Dream Pets ladybug on sale currently on eBay for $15. Wait, oh, I was gonna say, why is this flamingo planter $10? And it's because it's broken and repaired in multiple spots. Dang, that usually sells for me between $49 and $55. I can't justify repaired though. Now, for all you kitschy pie people, check out that pair of salt and pepper shakers. They're $60. That's a really great price for a collector. For resale, not for me, but spectacular rare find. Lots of funky bowling stuff over here. I love this. The ashtray with the pen holder. Does that say $46? Good grief. Doodads. Doodads. I see skunks. Unfortunately, they're $25. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Those are only $15. That's a really good price for those. And the elephants, that left-in set, $15. Oh, unfortunately, they don't really do discounts here. Oh, man, I still kind of want to... I hate that everything's in a case. Whoa. These are spectacular. This is a fun booth. Little funny tiger, only $4. This looks like all the kitschy stuff was on this side. Oh, I remember this booth. Oh my gosh. Okay, first off, the switch plate cover, $10. I bought one of these for myself on eBay that was similar to this, and I cannot figure out how to install it, to be honest. Super embarrassing, I know. What's this? Sleepy Side High, $6.95. Sleepy Side High mini coffin box. That's very cool. And of course, I love this bank. I've had this a few times. $20 is about what I sold mine for too. And it's a cute little cake topper. And I love the American bisque. Oh my gosh, look at the Daisy sunglasses. So fun. Yeah, they definitely have some great sunglasses here. Unfortunately, I can't even look at them because I will want them, and I need prescription, and I just bought new glasses, so not for me. Fun miniatures though. Oh, look at the Humpty Dumpty. Oh, I love that. Little children's hoodie. What is this? Oh, it's like a shaker. Not what I thought it was, and it's also $20, so that's a no. I love the bunny bank. Unfortunately, these don't sell for as much as I thought they did, and this one's $20. If it was a little bit less, I'd probably do it just because it's so cute, but I think I looked it up actually the last time I was here. Oh, so fun. The pin cushion girl is cool. It's been a while since I've seen one of these. $35, that is definitely retail on that, or at least what I'd get for it after fees. It's in really good condition. Little fuzzy ceramic redhead pixie. $17 is retail though. Oh, I love the pigs. But they're just figurines and they're $12.95 each. So many fantastic things in this case. Unfortunately, this is the case that I had a really bad time with getting the tags off, so I'm not buying anything with stickers on it. That reindeer planter with the Santa is fun. $18 is a super fair price, but I'm kind of cases out. It's gonna have to take a lot to get me to open one. Oh my gosh, that's fun too. And I love that elf. That is something I would grab for sure, but unfortunately it's at $18. And the barbershop quartet planter. Like I said, a lot of fun stuff. I'm just really trying to switch it up and go some different places. So I'm just being very careful with my money right now. Oh my gosh, this lamp though, $70. I'm not doing that, but it's fantastic. I like my basketball lamp. I'm happy with that. A lot going on in this little nook. It's kind of a tight squeeze. What is that up there? I don't felt like dealing with that. My neck kind of hurts today, honestly. I'm surprised I've had as much energy as I had. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Well, I was originally looking at the Santa Blue molds when I saw this. Oh my gosh, I want this so bad. $15. Should I get this for myself? I've already gotten something for myself today. And I've gotten a bunch of stuff for myself this week, actually. Oh, she's so fantastic. I don't need it. If it was a little bit less, I'd do it. But look over here. This is a good selling one. $10. That's a fair price. I've had that one a few times. How much are these guys? I still can't believe I passed them up at Mother Tucker's. They're priceless. Just kidding. I've made it back to Cases Land. I'm super turned around. I don't think... Okay, so that's where I left off. So many ornaments. Again, a lot at retailer close to. This is a super fun room. I tell you what, I still will never understand how this is the largest. I really don't believe them. I've almost gone through this entire place. A lot of it is cases and just stuff that I'm not interested in. But I will say what they do have that I'm interested in is awesome. Like, that's pretty neat. Wow. I love this dress. That is so fun. What's this one? That is really pretty. It's well priced too. I wonder if I could fit in that. Would I wear this? It's only $18. I'm not sure if I could fit in that. I might try. What is this one? This one's fun. This is, yeah, this pink one is really interesting to me. Hold on. Okay, so it was a little small, which is no surprise, but I did try on this outfit too. I was a little underwhelmed. It was fun. The other thing that kind of caught my attention is this fantastic purple coat. But the thing is, I already have a vintage purple coat and it trumps this one. So even though this one's great, I'm gonna walk away. I'm really not buying things for myself. At least I'm trying not to, is more like it, but I'm gonna go back to that case where I got the Valentine's Day planters. Now those red ones are priced at $18 each, and honestly they don't sell as well as the others. That's why I left them. I still can't see the price tag on that girl. I'm gonna look. The one other thing that caught my attention, oh, the little Joseph originals. Those are cute, but I've had them before. And the candy box is beautiful, but I'm looking for like fabric covered ones in unique colors. But this little celluloid jointed rabbit is very unique. I might look at him too. Let me see. There you go. I have to say, that was a lot more of a pleasant experience than I remembered. He literally said, I'm gonna staple this so it doesn't blow away. And I was like, you don't need to. I spent $69 in there and got some really great Valentine's Day planners. I'm gonna go head down the road to somewhere I haven't taken you guys before either.